What's up guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to register a Leica SIM card. So currently we're in the Leica mobile website on the registration. The link to this will be in the comment section down below. Now in order to register for your SIM card, once you follow the link in the description, you're going to find yourself here, where you can put in your information such as your number, select a secret question and answer the secret question. You put in your personal details, which are important for your SIM card registration naturally. And then if you come down here, you're going to see questions from Leica. If you'd like to receive updates and offers and promotions from time to time, you can decide to tick this if you want, and also for the second question. And then after all of this is done, you just need to come down to the bottom, read the terms and conditions, and tick the box, and then click on register. When you click on register, that will start the process of registering your Leica SIM card. Any other information which may be needed will be sent to your mail or to your number. So this is how to register a Leica SIM card.